Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run or execute any PHP project that you have downloaded from internet. So let's begin. Now before starting, I would like to introduce the sponsor for this video, Cloudways. Cloudways allows you to avoid web hosting hassles so that you can totally focus only on your business. Using that innovative platform, you can go live in minutes. All you need to do is you need to first simply select your application and then your server, and after that you need to just simply select your server size and you are ready to go. Please use the affiliate link in the description to support Geeky script channel, and also use our unique promo code Geeky to avail 20% discount for 2 months. Now to run any PHP project, first you need to download our PHP project, right? So for that, if I go to my browser, you can see we have a project, right? This is a PHP project. So we have these PHP files. So I'm going to show you how to download it and how to run it in our local system. So for that, first you need to just simply download it. So just simply download the zip and it will going to download it, right? So after downloading, you need to just simply go to that download directory, and here you can see this project has been directly downloaded over here. So first step is just right click on it and then simply click on extract all, and then just simply click on extract. So what it will do is it will going to extract your project over here, right? You can see this project has been directly extracted over here, and these are the files, right? Now just simply hit a back button and this is your project, right? So you have rightly downloaded and extracted your project. Now the next step is to download Xampp. So go to this page and you will be able to download Xampp. The latest version is 8.0.13. I have already made a detailed video on how to install Xampp, so just follow that video and install your Xampp, right? So after you install your Xampp, just simply search with Xampp, and when you click on this control panel, you'll be able to see this window, right? Here you need to start your Apache and MySql. So just simply click on this start button for Apache and MySql, right? And you can clearly see that it has rightly started, right? This Apache and MySql. Now you need to click on this admin button for MySql. In MySql you'll be seeing this admin button. So just simply click on that. What it will do is it will going to open this localhost phpMyAdmin. You can see the localhost phpMyAdmin has been directly opened over here, and this is basically the interface of our phpMyAdmin. This is what we call this as a database, right? So here any data that we are submitting in our PHP project, that going to be stored over here, right? So this phpMyAdmin has been directly opened over here. Now just minimize it and also minimize this control panel. This control panel job is now finished almost, right? So after you just simply start this Apache and MySql, your control panel job almost finished. Just simply minimize it, right? And now here remember we have extracted this project. Just simply right click on it and then just simply click on cut, right? And then you need to simply go to your C drive, then your Xampp folder you'll be seeing. So in that video where I have shown you how to install Xampp, I have clearly told you that you will be getting this Xampp folder after installing your Xampp, right? So just simply go inside that folder and then you will be seeing this htdocs folder, right? This is very important. Just simply go inside that folder, and here you need to just simply right click on it and paste, right? So what it will do is it will going to paste your downloaded PHP project over here. So if you just simply go inside that folder, you can see all files are rightly there. Now just simply go a directory back, and then if you just simply again right click on it on your folder, then just simply click on rename, and then you need to just simply again right click on it and copy. So just simply copy the folder path, right? And then again go back to your browser, just simply open a new tab, and here just simply type localhost / then paste. Just simply paste that same folder name that we have just copied, then enter, and you can clearly see that our PHP project has been started running over here. So it is actually running from this code that we have written in this index.php. So if I just simply open that file, you can see this is the code which is up and running on our browser, right? We have this submit button, then email address, then address, gender, last name, first name, everything is there. So that is what it is in our browser. It is also showing, right? First name, last name, gender, and here we have a form. But upon entering anything, if you click on submit, it will going to show error because our database is not connected yet, right? So for that you need to make your database connection, right? So if you go to our project folder, you can see we have a SQL file over here, right? testdb.sql, right? So what you need to do is you need to just first open this insert.php file, which is basically our database connection, where we have made basically, you can see in this connection variable we have connected with MySql connect, and first we have localhost, then root, and this is our password is blank, and finally we have this test database. So these four are our parameters, right? And the last one is our database name. You can see that our database name is testdb. So just simply copy that database name, right? And then you need to go to your browser, and here in phpMyAdmin you need to just simply click on new, and then under this create database you need to just simply right click and paste your database name. So whatever database name it has in MySqli connect, whatever database name it has, you need to just simply paste that database name over here, and then just simply click on create. What it will do is it will going to create our database. You can see our database testdb has been rightly created over here. Now it's time to import our SQL file so that all tables and everything that were there going to be imported. So for that you need to just simply click on import, and then just simply click on choose file, and you can see that our project folder has been directly opened over here. If it directly not open, then you need to navigate to your C drive, then your Xampp folder, then htdoc folder, and then you'll be getting this insertion for form data, which is basically our project, right? And you can see it has rightly opened, and here we have this testdb.sql file, right? So just simply select this and then just simply click on open, and you can see testdb.sql has been rightly imported. So now just simply scroll down and then just simply click on go. So what it will do is it will going to import everything that was written on that SQL file. So it will going to create our database. Then there is one, you can see our database has been rightly created. There is also one column, so that also it inserted, right? So you can see our college table has been rightly created over here. So if you just simply click on that, you can see our first name, last name, gender, address, email, everything has been properly created, right? With one data is also there, right? So now if you just again go back to your project, and here if you just simply enter your credentials, so I'm going to give just simple credentials. Okay, so it is Geeky, and the last name will be script, right? And then gender and address India, and I am going to give my email address, right? And then just simply click on submit, and you can see your data has been successfully stored on your database, and you can see what data we have inserted, right? If you go back to your database and if you just simply click on browse, you can see that Geeky script, mail, India, and email what we have entered there has been rightly inserted in our database, right? So in this way you establish your connection with your phpMyAdmin, and you set up our project locally on your system, right? I have already shown you how to download any PHP project, and then how to basically install Xampp, and then how to launch your project on your local system, right? So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and so please do share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.